All right, so we know how to multiply with like bases, so let's divide. I know you've been waiting. You're so excited that we're going to divide. Okay, so dividing. This is the symbol for the division, but also this line is also the symbol for division. So anytime we do that, we are dividing. Now we did already divide, so this shouldn't be too difficult. It's just we're going to have like x's and y's and things like that later on. So we start out just straightforward. So a to the fifth divided by a to the third. So I'm going to write it like this because it always seems to be a little bit clearer. So let's expand these like we did before to show you one way you can do this. So a to the fifth is we write 5a's. A to the third, we write 3a's, right? A times a times a. Now we know that anything divided by itself is 1. So that means a over a is 1. A over a is 1. A over a is 1. So all we're left with here is a squared. So as you can see, a squared is the same as 5 minus 3. This 5 and this 3, you just subtract. So that's what this means up here. When you're dividing, you subtract the exponents, but you also divide the coefficients. I'll show you the coefficients start down here. So let's just do the exponents first. So this is x to the ninth. Now we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, all over 1. So only one of them goes away, and we're left with 8. So x to the ninth divided by x, which is the same as x to the first, is x to the eighth. 9 minus 1 is 8. So this one, y to the fourth over y to the third. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Only one left. Or y to the first, or just, that's it. All right, so this is combining things. So the first thing we need to do is we need to simplify the top here. Since there's x's in both. Now, in our classwork, we really don't do this, but we are getting to the point where we are going to be doing this. So it's good to see it. When you multiply, remember, this is what we did yesterday. X to the eighth times x squared. We add those up, and we get x to the 10th. All right, now this is a division problem. So when I say divide coefficients, the 32 and the 4 are your coefficients. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. And then you subtract the exponents. Okay? So I could write out 10x's and 7x's on the bottom and cross them out, but you know that there's only going to be 3 left. So the top here is x to the ninth, right? Because these two multiply together is x to the ninth, and this one is x to the sixth. You could write 9 on top, 6 on the bottom, or you can just subtract and get x to the third. Okay, and then 9 minus 8, that's x to the first. Bam. That's it. That's dividing. So try these on your own and see how it goes. And have a great day.